Hello, welcome back to our channel. Kitty here. For today's Mystery Monday, we have these small Umaru-chan figures. These are by Good Smile Company. It says here that there are 7 variations. Here are 4. Here are... Wow! Okay, let's start over. There are 7 variations. Here are 4. Here are 3 more. And there's an 8th one here, actually. There's like... I'm sure I saw 7. Yeah, it says here 7, but there's actually an 8th one. And it is a mystery. So yeah. Here's an example of all the figures you can collect. I think we have the full set here. We do have 8. Let's go ahead and see who we got. I just wanted to point out here, it says like this one is a pencil topper. And this one is like a noodle stopper. Like you can rest on top of your noodles or on top of a bookcase. Anything you want really. And the rest, I think they're just minifigures. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what we've got here. So I've cut open the tape here. And I think you're just gonna pull here. There's another piece of tape here. So we've got a little instruction manual, I guess, or a warning. Wow, these were packed really well. Let's go ahead and open this up. So here's our first figure. She is so tiny. And yes, this is just a regular figure because she comes with a little stand. This is the character Kiri, I believe. I saw this many years ago and I saw it in Japanese. So excuse me if I don't have the pronunciation 100% correct. Okay, so there was a little stand, what is like a stick to stick into the stand here, and then you stick it in this hole here in her back, and this will help her stand. There you go, she stands just like this. And I love that the stand is clear because it won't take a lot away from the figure itself. Oh, this popped right out. 1 second. Okay, so after some difficulties, we've got her all together. Her body parts kept popping off, so you got to be really careful with this. But yeah, this is what she looks like, and she's really cute. Like I said, I like the clear stand because it doesn't take away from the figure at all. And these will look so cute all lined up together. Okay, let's see who else we got. So the next one we got was Umaru-chan with her bag of potato chips and her soda, her Coca-Cola. So cute. If you've watched this show, you'll know that she loves her chips and soda. And there wasn't a stick, like a stand on this one, so I think she just stands on it like this. I don't know if you can see that there, but yeah, you would just rest her right on top. This is the third one, and this is her just lazing around, which you know this her favorite thing to do. She has this cute little face on and her little leg pulled up. Very cute. And this one doesn't have a stand either, so you would just rest it on the clear acrylic stand like that. So cute. And we have another Umaru-chan. In this one, she's crying and whining, most likely because she didn't get her way or she wants her new issue of Shonen Jump, some snacks or something. But she's so cute, and she would just rest on her stand just like that. This is probably my favorite one, just because it's so cute and funny. So it looks like so far we've got one of the side characters, Kiri. And we've got this one here, and this one. So hopefully we can get her with her pillow blowing the little snot bubble. We can get Nana. We can get the other character, and I'm not sure how you pronounce her name, and the mystery. Let's see what we got. Yay, so we got the pillow one with the little bubble. I really wanted, whoa, sorry, excuse me. Okay, so I really wanted this one. I'm really excited about that too. And the stand is built right into the pillow. So you would just push it into here. This is the stand, and this, I don't know what is this called, like the stick. I don't know. Help me out, please, if you know. And it just, oh, that is so cute. Yeah, it just stands like this. Oh my gosh, these are just so well made as well and painted so great, and they have like a weight to them. These are really nice. If I can find these anywhere online, I will link you to them at the bottom. But yes, I love this one. So we've got another character. This is Nana, and she's got the cutest expression on her face. Oh wow, I love her little hair ties, all the little details. Her eyes is just so cute, and she's one of my favorite characters on this show. From the hole in her back, it looks like she should have one of those little stick things, and I think I threw out the plastic. Let me go look for it. Okay, so here it is. It's really tiny and clear, so that's why I missed it. Okay, so I got the little stick, and that was not easy to do at all. Maybe because of my nails, sure, but I just don't think it would be super easy for anyone. Well, anyway, she's together and she looks so precious. Her little hair clips and her little stance, her facial expression, everything. I'm just so happy. Okay, so we have 2 left. Hopefully we can get her. I remember her name being something like really exaggerated and complicated. Some like Selfindor and another name. But I think they just called her like Selfie or Selfie or something. But since it's in Japanese, I watched it in Japanese. It's not so easy to like understand their names with their Japanese pronunciations and such, but I think it was something like Selfie. So I hope we get her. And the mystery one, right? Because we have these. Yes, we do. Okay, let's see what we got. And we got her, Selfie. Oh wow, she looks so cute. I love the sparkle in her eye, her expression. She's a really cute, interesting character. If you haven't seen this anime, definitely check it out for a laugh, just to enjoy it. It's so cute. What am I doing? Yeah, she definitely has a stand too, I believe. Well, hold on. Maybe we can remove her head. Oh, it's in her hair. Can you see that? It's in her hair. Okay. I'm gonna try to build this. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I put it together and it was actually a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be. Since the stick is just straight, you put it right in her hair and push her right into the stand. And this is what she looks like. So cute. I love her very much. Alright, here's our last one. And hopefully we get the mystery, because that's the only one we don't have here, and hopefully this is a complete set. Let's find out. Oh no, it's not the mystery figure. We actually got another Kiri. Oh, well, that's not too bad because I really like her. I like all the characters. She's really cute. She's super adorable. And I know Jerry's going to love her, so she can have her like in her personal collection. And we can have these at our shop. But yeah, we didn't get the mystery one. And, well, we don't know what it looks like, of course. If I find an image of what this looks like, I'll put it in here. Or I'll leave a link down below. Oh, and I totally forgot about these. Yeah, so... Okay, so, oh wow. So this is this figure, and I guess that means you can pull the pillow out and you can add her to the pencil topper. And these, you can just pull them right off their stand and put them anywhere you want. That's really exciting. I think these would be really cute for like photography, taking really cute pictures of them. Yeah, so altogether, I'm still happy. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up. Love you!